everyone. In today's video, we will be seeing the relationship between humans and generative AI. In today's world, generative AI has become a trustworthy friend for humans, best working alongside us to achieve incredible things. Imagine a partner creating a masterpiece where they focus on the vision. Generative AI acts as the assistant, mixing colors, searching designs, or even sketching ideas and working with more complex algorithms. The painter remains in control, but the AI makes the process faster and more exciting, like turning the images into real world scenario, like turning the paintings into most wanted pictures into nowadays. The partnership is like having a friend who is always ready to help. A writer stuck on the opening line of the story can turn to generative AI for suggestion and spark creativity. A business owner without design skills can solely rely on AI to draft a sleek website or marketing materials. Even students can use AI to better understand complex topics by generating easy to grasp explanation or visual aids. For example, we can take one of the most prominent thing that is used by most of us, that is chat gtp. Generative AI is not here to replace human. Many of us think that generative AI will replace, or the world of artificial intelligence will take or replace our job. None of them are true, but um, but as I said in our previous video that we must not fully rely on the AI concept. It is better enough to grow along with it and with the technology, as we can see. Maybe in the year 2030, there will be lots of AI based jobs, and one thing, AI will be the employers or somebody who will be hiring. So we can you might have a question in your mind that saying that will humans exist in year 2030 and beyond that year 2030. Well, I have an answer for you guys. That is, yes, we can exist if we use the AI models and the AI algorithms properly. Like as I said before, we should not rely on fully on AI, but keeping AI is best for your companionship, for your business, for your study, and you have to encourage the future generations to make use of AI as we do nowadays. Now let's get back to the topic. Generative AI is not here to replace humans but empower them. It takes on repetitive tasks, offers endless possibilities, and helps people achieve results they might lack. At the same time, humans bring their intuition, creativity, and ethical judgment, ensuring AI's contribution are meaningful and responsible. In this era, generative AI truly feels like best friend, always there to support, enhance, and inspire us while letting us to stay in charge. Together, humans and AI can make an unbeatable team, achieving more than ever before. One thing that is, nowadays HR professionals are using the cloud computing software. The cloud computing software is nothing but use of internet to store, to retrieve, to manipulate the data in the way they can keep the records of their employees. So they don't have to worry about the wellness of the employees or the another benefit something. So if they are using the cloud computing software, means they are already using it in the right way to keep track of their employees in the organization and how they will work in the organization. And generative AI versus artificial intelligence. Generative AI is purpose. It is designed to produce new content or data. And artificial intelligence designed for a wide range of tasks but not limited to generative AI. Application: generative AI, art creation, text generation, video synthesis, and so on. AI, data analysis, predictions, automation, robotics, etc. Generative AI learning, user supervised learning or reinforcement learning. AI can use supervised, semi supervised, or reinforcement learning. Outcome of Gen AI: new or original output is created. AI's outcome can produce an answer and make a decision, classify data, etc. And the complexity of Gen AI: it requires a complex model like GANs. And the complexity of AI: it has ranged from simple linear regressions to complex neural networks. As we have seen, our brain is loaded with lots of cells inside our brain. Like that, the neural networks is composed of large number of networks, meaning we can refer to as DNA. And the data requirement in Gen AI is requires a large amount of data to produce results of high quality data. And data requirement in AI, data requirement may vary. Some need little and some need vast amounts of data. It depends on the time. And interactively, Gen AI can be interactive, responding to user input. AI interactivity might not always be interactive depending upon the application. Thank you guys. If you like our video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and keep yourself updated, and don't forget to press the bell icon button. Thank you so much. Bye bye. We'll meet on next video.